All right, here we go. Start off in 1. All right, we're heading uphill. Yeah, we're not doing 54 miles an hour. We're drawing 22 amps, going uphill. Pack voltage 76. Yeah, we're not doing 80 miles an hour. 82, 85, 90, 95, 100 miles an hour. Oh God. Not 27, definitely not 27. Jeez, that regen is aggressive. Okay. That could be bad. I didn't realize it was that high. And we'll quick go right here. Let's see. 135. Coming into contact. All right, we'll swap. Jeez, that's aggressive. All right. Let's see if we're regenning at all. There's a big hill over here. What's up, Poochie? Regen's probably set a little aggressively. I gotta do something about that chain. Regen is working fantastic. I'll have to check the video, see what that got down to. All right. Yeah, if I can get the chain clearances to work better, we got something there. All right, we'll go into 3 this time, and we're on flat ground for the most part, although we probably don't have good GPS. Woo-wee! Here we go! Oh, that's good. Oh, that's fun. Not a problem doing 55. I can't drive 55. Oh man, other than that horrible chain noise. Oh, Nelly Belly, slow down there. I haven't touched the brake once. I kind of like the regen being that high, but it might be a pain in the future. There we go, head on up, yeah. Yeah, that's aggressive. That's super aggressive. Oh, that's nice. A little Norton. I kind of want to give chase, but our battery's not doing terrible. I want to give chase. I want to give chase so bad, but what time is it? I gotta get back to work. All right. What I need to do is, all right, put it back in park. Yep, okay, so even the screen, unfortunately, is a little wonky because I just have it powered by some alligator clips at the moment, so that's not necessarily the best. Yeah, there we go. All right, success. That was a lot of fun. This is gonna be worthwhile, I think. Definitely worthwhile. All right, let's go chump this data.